Drop the roof and let the smoke clear. I got diamonds doing pussy slides in both ears. Dice rolling on the Las Vegas strip tonight. Slip that on and we might miss the fight. Fucking night, I keep the wallet in my shorty bag.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to back cornrows. Before we get into the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell so y'all are notified every time I post, and let's get right into it. So in today's video, we're going to need a wide tooth comb, a small tooth comb, and some beeswax. As you guys can see, my hair is already loose. I'm just gonna comb through and we'll get right into it.
You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be.
Okay, so I want to plait my hair in about 8. So I'm just gonna divide my hair into half.
These days, oh my, yeah, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder.
Okay, so let's start by patting out the first section.
You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner.
Now I'm gonna go in with some beeswax to ensure that the perimeter of the cornrow is neat.
Spit what you wanna, be who you wanna be. A young stunner. Till I die. Drop the roof and let the smoke clear.
Okay, to start the corner, you want to divide the beginning of the parts into 3 sections like you're about to do a box braid. Now we're going to play a game of crisscross. So just like a box braid, you want to start by pulling either the right side or left side to the middle, which will let the piece to the middle go to either side, and you want to pull the one in the opposite direction to the middle, and you just keep going. So you're going to pull the right side to the middle, then you're going to pull the left side while adding pieces of hair behind, and you're just going to keep going until the cornrow is done.
Trust from the distance. I think we should rule out commitment for now, cause we're falling apart.
Now we're going to repeat the same steps on the other section. Start by dividing the beginning of your hair into 3 sections like you're about to plait a box braid. Then pull the left or right side, whichever side is comfortable to you, to the middle, then the opposite side to the middle, and you keep pulling the sides to the middle and adding pieces until there is no more pieces left at the back. You want to pull as tight as possible. You want to pull like root all the hair out your head, but you want to go in with a firm grip so that your cornrow is going to be as neat as possible.
Passing up on my way, I can't blame you.
They just wanna fuck with you, 'cause they know I fuck with you. If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending.
Here's a closer look. Divide into 3 sections.
Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight.
Now you just want to pull the left or right side to the middle and keep pulling the sides to the middle while adding pieces from the back until there's no hair left at the back to pull.
I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Been spraying on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me.
Okay guys, this is what the first half looks like.
Get away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl. Don't give my shit.
I'm just gonna go off camera and do the other side and I'll be back with the results.
I know I've been away. Just trying to get my people straight. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my people straight, girl.
Okay guys, so this is the finished product. I just finished braiding the other half of my head. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys were able to learn something new. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so y'all are notified every time I post a video. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!